Make sure the ignition and master switch are in the off position. Disconnect all ignition leads from the spark plugs. This will ensure that there will be no spark delivered to the spark plugs. Remove the spark plug from cylinder 1. On Lycoming engines, the number 1 cylinder is on the front right. On Continental engines, the number 1 cylinder is on the right rear. Next, we are going to find compression stroke on cylinder 1. If it is hard for you to turn the propeller, remove all the top spark plugs to relieve compression inside of the cylinders. Stick your finger over the spark plug hole and turn the propeller in the direction of rotation. When you feel the compression building, remove your finger quickly to hear the compression release. Attach the timing indicator to the propeller or propeller spinner. Use tape if needed. Insert the piston stop finger tight into cylinder 1. Turn the propeller slowly in the direction of rotation until the piston lightly contacts the piston stop. Turn the disc to read top center on the timing indicator. Slowly turn the propeller in the opposite direction of rotation until the piston contacts the piston stop. Take the number the timing indicator is reading and divide it by 2. Turn the timing indicator to read this number. Remove the piston stop. Turn the propeller in the direction of rotation until the number 1 cylinder is coming up on the compression stroke. Continue turning the propeller in the direction of rotation until the timing indicator reads top center. Hearing the impulse couplings fire is a good indication that you are near top dead center. You are now at top dead center on cylinder 1. This is how you find top dead center using a timing indicator. If you are working with a Lycoming engine, there are timing marks on the starting ring gear that will show you top dead center and where your magnetos are supposed to fire. Look to the engine data plate or the engine's TCDS to find the proper timing for your engine. In this example, we will be using a Lycoming IO360 L2A, and the timing should be set at 25 degrees before top dead center. This means at 25 degrees before top dead center, the points in the magneto should just begin to open. Once you have found top dead center on cylinder 1, install the magneto synchronizer on your engine. Connect the left mag lead to the P lead on the left magneto. Do the same for the right mag lead and find a proper ground to connect the ground lead. Next, we are going to unground the magnetos by turning the ignition to the bolt position. When you turn the synchronizer on, both lights should be on and a buzzing noise should occur. Once you have reached 25 degrees before top dead center, the light should go out and the tone of the buzzer will change. Once you see the lights go out and hear the tone change, move the propeller back just before the lights went out. Lightly bump the propeller until the lights go back out to get a more accurate reading.